Hello, this is a quick tutorial to help you set up a template that will conform to accessibility guidelines and Royal Holloway's branding. So I've sent you a series of documents. If you navigate to where you've saved them, here you go. This one's Royal Holloway's and it's a .pt opus. So if you open that, it will launch PowerPoint and open a branded PowerPoint slide. So now if you go to File, Save As, it will automatically take you into your document store. If you reset this to a PowerPoint template, it will take you to your custom Office templates folder. It might generate that folder as part of what you're doing. Name it something sensible. As you can see here, I've done this a few times. Hit save, and it will reopen PowerPoint. So you want to close that. So now, every time you open PowerPoint from scratch, you often get all of these random templates and things. If you go to Custom and Custom Office Templates, you'll be able to select the one you want to use, and it will just launch. There you go, and that will conform to all of the style requirements that Royal Holloway require, as well as additionally making sure that it conforms to various accessibility guidelines.